In this lesson, we will be talking about monitoring. So we have implemented a lot of different things in our Kubernetes cluster. Monitoring enables us about the performance and stability of our application and infrastructure. So monitoring is a critical part of achieving stability of Kubernetes cluster. Monitoring allows us to know what's happening and quickly identifying problems so we can resolve them, hopefully before too many users experience the problem. Now there are two major types of data that we can collect. The first is the infrastructure monitoring. It's collecting the data about the health, performance, and capacity need of our infrastructure monitoring, just like CPU, memory usage, disk usage, etc. So infrastructure monitoring gives us the whole picture of the infrastructure, that whether it is healthy or stable or the usage is too high at this point of time. The next is the application performance monitoring. So while infrastructure monitoring focuses on the infrastructure where application runs, application performance monitoring focuses on application themselves. It might include request per minute, error rate, average response time. They focus on the health and performance of the application, and both type of monitoring is important to get an overall picture of entire infrastructure. So now there are two major ways of presenting and using the data. The first is the aggregation. Usually means to displaying the data in the form of graphs and dashboards designed to provide actionable information to represent the data in a sophisticated way to extract the required information. The next one is the alerting. It is basically a notification to engineers, system administrator about the important events in the real time. So in general, we can make the custom checks on application that if the user events goes above this stage, notify these peoples so they can have a look at them. Alerts helps us in investigating a problem that is constantly happening to users. So to implement monitoring in this course, we will be using Prometheus and Grafana. So Prometheus, it collects information and stores monitoring data. It also provides the alerting as well. And the Grafana, it is used for display and build dashboards for the data. So we can extract the required information at that particular time.